Welcome to Teens Room. Imagine waking up tomorrow and feeling just a little more motivated, a little more confident. What if small habits you start today carry you forward all week? Stay tuned. In the next 7 minutes, I'm going to share 5 simple habits you can start right now to build momentum and get ahead. No big leap needed. Small actions, real results. Hey everyone, welcome to Teens Room, your space for growth, motivation, and life hacks for teens and young adults. If you're new here, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell to join our community and never miss a video. Today, we'll dive into 5 tiny but powerful habits you can build to gain momentum, feel more productive, and stay inspired. Grab a notebook, take one small step with me today. Habit 1. Daily micro goal setting. Why it matters. It gives your day direction and focus without the pressure. How to do it. Every morning, set 1 to 3 tiny goals. Things so easy you can't skip them. Examples. Read 1 page, write 1 sentence, review 1 flashcard set. Small win, check 1 off before noon. Make it flexible. Do it at your desk, on the bus, or between classes. Keep it specific, simple, and short. Use a 5-minute timer to get moving. Track a streak, but remember, 1 miss doesn't break your progress. Pair goals with music to make it feel rewarding. Reduce friction. Keep your journal and pen visible. Today's small win. Write 1 sentence right now. Habit 2. Gratitude and reflection. Just 1 minute. Why? It shifts your mindset to positivity and reduces stress. How? Each night, write or mentally note 1 thing you're grateful for. Keep it simple. 1 line is enough. Reflection resets your brain for tomorrow. Optional. Add 1 tiny win from today. Set a reminder to make it automatic. Small win. Do it tonight. 1 sentence. You'll feel the difference tomorrow. So far, micro goals and gratitude. 2 minutes, big impact. Habit 3. Movement breaks. Why? Moving boosts energy and resets your focus. How? Do 2 to 5 minutes between study sessions. Keep it simple. Examples. A short walk, a stretch, a few squats. Small win. Do 1 today and feel the shift. Habit 4. Habit stacking. Attach a new habit to one you already do. Why? Your brain loves routines. Stacking makes new actions automatic. How? Pick a trigger like after dinner, then do 5 push-ups. Or after packing your bag, take a sip of water. Make the action tiny and obvious. Small win. Choose 1 stack today. Habit 5. Micro-learning or reading. Why? Continuous growth builds momentum over time. How? Read 1 to 2 pages daily, or listen to a 5-minute podcast. Make it bite-sized and consistent. Small win. Get the book out tonight. Use dead time. Commutes, study breaks, before bed. 2 pages today beats 0 pages all week. Plan small, repeat often. Protect your focus with short bursts. Share your wins with a friend. Accountability helps. Silence distractions during study sprints. Set your environment for easy success. Momentum is built, not found. So those were 5 small but powerful habits. Micro goals, gratitude and reflection, movement breaks, habit stacking, and micro learning. Start with just one of them this week. The win builds momentum. Momentum builds habit, and habit builds progress. Which small habit will you start this week? Drop it in the comments. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more tips every week. With a slight music swell and no VO. Thanks for hanging out with me here in Teens Room. Keep going, keep stacking small wins, and I'll see you in the next one.